We want to make seating or public spaces an experience, to explore being in outdoor spaces. And I think the 3D printing products are a pretty good way to explore new technologies or new ways of seating or just new ways of creating public areas.
Let's go.
Benke Benke is a family-run business for over 40 years. The core of our production is to combine technology and craftsmanship. So our public space solutions are very durable and weather-resistant. We are always looking for new opportunities to give our clients more possibilities and more design freedom. Another important point for us is to improve our sustainability more and more. So we have the possibility to use recycled and recyclable materials, which fits perfectly in our production.
The material we use most often is recycled PETG with glass fiber added. The additional glass fiber makes the printed components stable and hard. And it's important to us that the printed parts are UV resistant and weatherproof.
LFAM for us significantly shortens the design to production process, so we can rapidly just prototype and iterate on designs without the need of expensive tooling. This also reduces lead times for custom or limited production runs. We want to combine the new technologies with our knowledge and with our expertise we have in working on stainless steel, because I think this is what makes us so special. Consolidating multiple production steps into one single process is very, very time-saving and material-saving.
The training at the beginning is very helpful. You get a good overview of the machine, and the C team prepared us well to work with the machine on our own.
The primary application we envisioned for large format additive manufacturing was to push the boundaries of furniture design for public and urban spaces.